Now you know what a palindrome is. It's something that spells the same backwards as it does forwards, like Glenelg, the name of a place. It doesn't have to be just a word, it can be a sentence, like Madam, in Eden, I'm Adam. That spells the same thing backwards as forwards. Well, those are palindromes. Here's something a bit different, but a bit similar. Circular words. Try this. It could be verse if you start at the V, or it could be sever if you start at the S. And something a bit more complicated, try this. Reverse. Put that into reverse, start from the other R, you get reveres. Try and develop some circular words of your own.
I want to know. Curiosity.